Decisions have been finalized. If all goes according to plan, this will be the last day the truck looks like this. Changes will be small, so I'm going to measure the changes. So I'm going to measure the tire height, 32. Might as well check the front wheel well too. Let's see, that is 36 3/4. The rear wheel wells, might as well do that too. 39 1/4. Do the lowest point on the back, which is the hitch, 18 inches. Nice trains right there. Mid cab, I guess. Also, okay. 15.5 inches. Okay, I'll do the skid plate. Oh, okay, annoying. Okay, 12 inches. Wait, will the truck actually be wider? Shit, I should measure that too. Hold on. How do I get it? Hook it under the wheel, I guess. (79.5 inches. Great. Now wheels, tires, and lift go on tomorrow. I'll remeasure everything to see what the changes are. Bye.